am in Pooler, Georgia, and I'm back at another True by Hilton. And I'm reviewing a few of them because we want to make sure that the brand, is true and that each town is doing what they're supposed to do. I review, and then sometimes it's by cost. Price is a bit high because it's technically a holiday weekend. It's spring break time. So this is April 2025. The True by, did I say True Blue? I meant to say True by Hilton. I keep wanting to call them True Blue. I don't know why. Before we go in, as you can see, I'm checking in at night, and I really should, sorry about the jerky video there. I really should wait till daytime, but it looks so nice at night. Like you want to be out here in the evenings. I told you before, well, if this is your first True video, I have another True video. And in that one, I'm saying they're giving a funky college dorm vibe. They're using colors like, you see the teal and the orange as a throwback. And I know they're going for a younger crowd, but it's really appealing to an older crowd. And although there aren't a lot of cars in the parking lot, when I asked him if he had any rooms available, he said, I think I still have some left. Maybe people booked and going to check in later. Maybe they're hanging out in downtown Pooler, but I don't know. True is picking up. I hope it maintains its appeal. I hate to see it decline. Or right off the highway, so they lock at all times. So I parked in the back, and here's the elevator. I'll call for it in a minute. So True tries to go local, and they'll have information about local stuff here. See what the gym looks like. Oops. Okay. Oops. Alright. Oh yeah, nice. Don't worry, I'm not getting you. Trust me, I don't want other people in my videos. I'm watching the mirror too. Okay, I got it. Alright, here is your water bottle filler upper, your ice, cups, and ice bucket. Here's the guest laundry. I don't really need to open it. Really nice. Everything's new. And that's toward the lobby. The snacks are for sale. A typical pool table. And there's the 24-hour coffee. Hello. Nice wide elevator. And they encourage you to hang out in the lobby. Just like a dorm. Quiet hours. In all fairness, the top one is heavy, but still, it's rolling. Okay, got one of the last ones. They're pretty, got a lot of rooms here. Light is here, and so is mine. And it looks like the others, so I'm not surprised. I'm gonna go to the check out the bathroom. There's your fan. There you go. Okay. And like most hotels, not just the budget or lower price ones, they're not giving you the freebies. But there's cups there, towels, hand soap and lotion, and everything is bright and new. And okay, the door is, I think the door, which I'm surprised if it's 100% wood. So it's kind of, I don't know if anybody's below me. It's kind of sticking there. No carpet, which I love. I'm fine with that. Easier to clean. Okay, the last time I didn't check to see if the refrigerator was plugged in. This time I see it is, so I can put what I have to put in there. Storage options, decorative hoods. Now he said under the bed, but I guess they mean like right here. You can't go all the way under the bed. You can store there. I guess you can sit things on top. Now, true. So here's my, oh, I forgot. This one's, every hotel you can never remember. This one's on the wall. Actually, I kind of like it there. I'm going to leave it there. Here are your hooks. And yeah, we're all set. My name is up there, making me feel special. So it's not a resort. Iron board. And your phone is here. Same exact setup as before. So if you go to one, there's a waste can over here, and okay, I thought there was the no, recycling and everything like that. Okay, so I'll just remember the waste can is over there. That's good. You don't want surprises. You don't want to go somewhere and go, but this one doesn't look like the other. When you book by brand, you want the brand to be the brand. And if they're not the brand, then that's a problem. Then, the owner has no business being part of that franchise. But you want the brand. Okay, so I'm enjoying the brand. That is definitely not Pooler or... Oh, wait. I'm sorry. That is Savannah. Oh, my God. That is so cool. That is so cool. I didn't even notice that in the other... True, that they have scenes of where they are. Okay. I don't think this is touchscreen, so no. So I'll find a remote from somewhere. Oh, there it is. Find the remote, and we'll get all settled in for the night. Okay, we'll take a look at the rest of it tomorrow. And it's the little touches that matter. Nice. This is so cute. That's cool. We're not supposed to be, it's got like that, like I said, the dorm, the European hostel, HOSTEL environment. So I don't think you're supposed to be staying here long term. You're not supposed to be here. We're just checking. Yeah, everything's working nice. You're not supposed to be here forever. If you want luxury, you're going to have to go to one of their higher brands or any other. It doesn't have to be Hilton. It could be whatever. So this is good for a few days, good for overnight. You're not supposed to be here forever. But if you're not picky and you're in a very busy city and you technically just need some place to stay, to go to sleep. Literally, you're using the hotel just to sleep. It's not to hang out. You don't need resort things. Then this is perfect. And not just this brand, not just the Hilton brand. All of the brands are now trying to get, I don't know what you call them, upper budget. So that's it for our review. True by Hilton in Pooler, Georgia. I'm the NYC Traveler. We'll see you on the road.